At Heiser Ford, we spend our days talking about quarter panels and torque ratios. But the nice thing is, you don't need to know a thing about what's under the hood of a car to get the best pricing possible. Ford is extending employee pricing to everybody.
What?
It doesn't matter what you do for a living or who you are, you can pay the exact same price as the guy who built this Bronco and the guy who signed his paycheck. You don't need to know how to drop a transmission. You don't even need to know the difference between a quarter panel and a nickel panel.
Are we being actual right now?
If you're in the market for a new car, you've earned employee pricing. Point blank, period.
Honestly, at this point, anyone can get employee pricing.
They absolutely do, as long as they stop into Heiser Ford Lincoln before July 6th. The deal might be limited, but the respect for our community, that's standard.
I got employee pricing.
I got employee pricing.
I got employee pricing.
I got employee pricing!
I got employee pricing.
Hi everyone, I'm Charlie Przlicki, new car sales manager here at Heiser Ford Lincoln in Glendale, Wisconsin. On behalf of our entire management staff, I want to say a massive thank you to all of our amazing guests we get to work with every single day. Thanks for taking the time to have some fun with us. We truly love serving this community, and it is a privilege to provide you with vehicles that are made right here in the United States. We couldn't be more excited to welcome you into the showroom this month and give everyone the chance to drive home a brand new Ford or Lincoln for employee pricing.